Welcome Key Stage 4-5 to this week's assembly. Year 11s, it was so lovely to see you yesterday. I never knew we had such talented basketball players. Thank you for social distancing and behaving. I hope you enjoyed it too. Examination updates, Cambridge still going ahead, so those mock exams are still going ahead as scheduled from the 28th of March to the 8th of April. Now, teacher awarded grades for Pearson EdXL. It's different for each different subject. So I know some teachers have been telling you how that will happen and others may not have been because it's not fully concluded yet. So please be patient and we're waiting on updates from the exam board. Okay. Positive Learner Awards, they're not going to be read out, they're just going to be shown, and every time you're recognised, your form tutors will let you know, so then you can make a note of it, and every time you get 3, that's when you get a certificate. You may get 3 in 1 week, you may get 3 over a month. So just keep note of it, and then you know what those certificates are for. But keep going with those certificates because you're doing a fantastic, brilliant job. March for March, please hand in your entries. I've done 15 kilometres so far, 5 kilometres each day. Please join me.
They can come closer than close, yeah. Original they never will be.
The defending champions, there is Grundy Sydney Coolers opposing big man Harry McNulty, who has been a weapon, particularly at the restarts and at kick-off time as well.
Here's Harry McNulty, born in Bahrain, big ice hockey fan. Here's Harry McNulty. Nice cut back to McNulty. Chance here for Ireland. McNulty runs at the England line. Harry McNulty to Carpentier.
McNulty, he's been huge this first half for Ireland. He is in the air now along the turf. He goes. McNulty opens up.
Hello Dahran British Grammar School, my name is Harry McNulty and I am a professional rugby player. I used to play for the Irish Sevens team and now I'm heading over to LA to play there professionally, and I want to wish you all the best for March. Now I love to stay fit, one because it keeps me in a job and if I'm not fit I'm not allowed to play, but 2, it makes me feel brilliant. I love to go to the gym, I love to go for a run, it clears my mind. I feel fresh afterwards, I feel relaxed, and it keeps my body feeling great. So I want to wish you all the best again. Have fun, enjoy it, and do your best. Good luck.
We just try to make you see. Nobody does it better. Closer than close, yeah. Original they never will be. We want it from coast to coast, yeah. We just try to make you see. Nobody does it better. Nobody does it better.
Good news, next Thursday, Student Voice are organising an off-curriculum day. So more details will follow later, but it should include some nice competitions to get involved with and maybe some things to be active with from the PE department and also Student Voice and some of your subject teachers. So there'll be a non-curriculum day next Thursday. So reporting, Year 11, 12 and 13, next week teachers are going to report on your working at grade. That's everything you've done since September, whether it's been online, offline, in school, just dialogues that you've had with your teachers while you've been online. They're going to put all that data together and give you a working at grade right now. This is not a predicted grade. It's not a grade that's going to be given to any exam board. It's just for you and your parents to know where you are at right now. And also teachers will be commenting on the on the learner attributes, how well organised you are, how you contribute to lessons and how prepared you are.